Today is Thursday, May 8th, and today I learned, or was reminded of, the fact that God is good, right? Now I'm sorry, before I continue, I'm sorry, my voice is kind of gone, and I'm like, a little sick, but God is good, right? He will free your anxiety, He will get rid of your stress, He will give you peace, and He will orchestrate your life in the best way possible. And you just need to trust in that, and you need to wait on Him, right? Because that's what I've been needing to do, because the past few days I've had tryouts for softball, and it's just been a very stressful experience. And I got really demoralized yesterday, and I've just been praying a lot in regards to that. And today, thankfully I made the team, but even more than that, prayers have been answered. Whether or not I made the team or not, I had peace and I was calm and I did my best, which are all things that I prayed for, and it's just really encouraging, right? I don't know, even though it may seem like all hope is lost, right? Because that's kind of what I felt like. It may seem like all hope is lost, and it may seem like, everything's going downhill. But you just need to wait on the Lord, trust in the Lord, pray, and ask Him to deliver you from anxiety and stress and all of those things. And He will do it, right? It just, sometimes, a couple days ago, I was praying about that, and I was like, oh, why isn't it going away? But I wanted it to go away immediately. But the way He planned these past few days has just been perfect, right? He has a perfect plan for you. And I've been able to learn so much about Him and about myself over the past few days, and it had a good outcome, right? So, I don't know. That's kind of I've just been very encouraged. And if you feel like you're down in the dumps, go to God, right? If you feel like all hope is lost, you just need to be patient and stick with it rather than giving up, right? Even if it's taking longer than you thought it would, or it's harder than you thought it would, just stick with it, right? And it's definitely possible, right? Even though it may not seem possible right now. So, that's just a small thing that I was reminded of today. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is the video I posted yesterday. You could subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.